Hello and welcome students. How are you? I hope you will find at home. So, in the last video we have learned about the heating effect of electric current. In this video we will learn about the magnetic effect of electric current. This is the next part of the chapter electric current and its effect. So, first thing, what is magnetic effect? When an electric current passes through a wire, the current carrying wire behaves like a magnet by producing a magnetic field around it. This is called the magnetic effect of current. Magnetic effect of electric current was first discovered by Hans Christian Ørsted. One more important thing that you should remember always, that magnet attracts things which are made up of only nickel, iron and cobalt. Now we will understand about the magnetic effect of electric current by this activity. Here you can see there are two diagrams. These are circuit diagrams in which you can see this is a battery of 3 cells. It is a positive terminal of battery and it is a negative terminal of battery. This is switch, magnetic compass that always indicates north-south direction. So this is the north direction and this is the south direction. In the next diagram you can see, as switch on means when circuit is completed, current starts flowing from the positive terminal to the negative terminal. Here you can see these arrows are indicating that current is flowing from the positive terminal to negative terminal. So as current is starts passing, there is a deflection. You will observe there is a deflection in the needle. Now needle is not in the fixed direction, in the original direction north-south. It is deflected from its original position. As electric current passes, needle shows some deflection from its original position. As electric current switched off, as we switch off, electric current stops passing through the circuit. Then needle of magnetic compass comes its original position. So we have noticed deflection during the current passing, during the electricity passing. So this activity shows that current carrying wires act as a magnet with magnetic field around it. So we can say when current is passing through these wires act as a magnet and this wire creates a magnetic field around it. That's why needle of the magnetic compass deflected by its original position. There are some conditions affect the deflection of needle. Like first is if the direction of the current is changed by reversing the connection of the cell, it observed that the needle gets deflected in the opposite direction. So to understand this point, you see here that current is passing from the positive terminal to negative terminal. So as we change the connection of the wires, suppose we put the battery like in a such manner when positive terminal is here and negative terminal is here. So then the deflection of the needle will be opposite. Means now it is deflected in this direction around this original position, so it can be deflect in this direction, in the opposite direction, in the south direction. Because when we change the direction of battery, so flow of current will also be changed. When positive terminal will be here, current will pass from this direction to this direction. That's why needle of the compass will deflect in the opposite direction. Next point is, if the amount of current is increased by the adding one more cell in the circuit, it is observed that the angle of deflection increases, indicating that the magnetic power increases with the increase in the amount of current. So second point is telling, if the amount of current will be increased, then the deflection, angle of deflection will be increased. So suppose we add here one more cell, then the amount of electric current will also increase. Means strength of the current will increase. So the deflection also increase. Angle of deflection you can see here. Suppose this is this needle is deflected by 45 degree. So if we increase the amount of electric current, so deflection can be increased up to 90 degree or more than 90 degree. So this is the, if we increase the amount of electric current, then the deflection, angle of deflection of compass needle will be increased. So in today's video we have learned about the magnetic effect of electric current by this activity. I hope you have understood this topic properly. We will meet in next video with a new topic, and topic will be electromagnet. And we will see how electromagnet works and the uses of electromagnets. There are different uses of electromagnets nowadays. Till then, bye bye.